the composition. The second group is focusing on the events, but especially on the annual conference in Košice in October. These will include Rune, Shandor, Sergey, and myself. With hopefully addition of Laura, somebody from the Foundation Slovakia, agree on cooperation in this event. The capacity building part will include Sonia, Shandor, Alexei, and Atle. And the flexible fast response mechanism will include Shandor, Alexei, and myself. So let's the...
Sorry, would you repeat the last one?
The last one, yeah. Fast response or quick response mechanism. Shandor, Alexei, myself. And the idea for these subgroups is to work kind of independently, but how to develop, as in our discussion yesterday, today, how to develop further these different components of the project, and to have kind of new updated report no later than end of June, so that by mid-September, when we will meet next time as a working group, we will be able to finalize before the mid-September, or for this meeting, we will prepare a new updated version of the project description. This will have more details. So, is that something that is acceptable? Yeah. Okay.
Within the working group, we are working through internet.
Yes. Yeah. And Aaron is the.
Yeah,
he will create.
I'll have to set up some spaces for that.
Set up some space so that the subgroups can have their own discussion forum.
Everybody goes to the others.
Yeah. But only working groups will have access to every group.
Oh, yeah.
So that is flexible.
Yeah, that's it.
Everybody has any
Yes.
comments, other groups.
Yeah. But to be able to, for example, if I want to see the discussion within the subgroup on research, I can just go into that blog.
Yep, it'll be like a tab, and you just move to it.
And I can see what are the key issues discussed and stuff.
Yep.
We have to send out the invitation, I think, within a month for the conference.
Yes, for sure. Yes.
And then we need to have the speaker, I think, Oscar. So the next meeting will be in September.
This is for the full working
day.
Yeah, yes. Yeah. But obviously we will have to work. I mean, on this annual conference between you, Shandor, myself, Sergey. We'll have to get together kind of next steps, because we have to move very fast. And as you spoke yesterday, last night on the phone, I received yesterday a response from Commissioner File. He said that the idea of such conference is interesting, that he will seriously consider coming to Košice or both, and that he wants to meet sometime in March in Brussels. So I sent him some of those dates when we can come to Brussels, and waiting for his response. So I think as soon as we fix the date of the meeting in Brussels, then we'll need to go and discuss with him. But even before, we need to start drafting invitation letter, which we will start sending to some of the VIPs. We need to come up with the list of VIPs to be invited. We also discussed yesterday, after we finished this part, talk about because we need to finalize this preliminary composition of this senior kind of supervisory group with Torvald Stoltenberg, some of the presidents from President Chernomyrdin and so on. And is Chernomyrdin okay for Russia? In such senior groups with Torvald Stoltenberg. It's mostly retired politicians. Kuchma, Schuster from Slovakia, from Hungary we're talking about potentially King Agon's.
For elaboration on implementation policy in cross-border cooperation, the Ministry of Regional Development is the key. So probably we should invite the Minister, Mr.
this first phase, before the end of March, I think we had to send out these VIP invitations. But we also have to start gathering names of practitioners on the ground, because they are at least as important for the conference as the big names. And we need to create a list of invitees. We were talking yesterday about going to approximately 100 participants, so I think we need to send out at least 200 or 300 invitations to get that much people to come. So it will be quite a lot of